Welcome to Young Researchers. In today's video, we will discuss how to add table of content automatically. So, in order to add table of content in any of your Word file, first of all, we need to change heading style of each heading and subheading of your file. Okay. So, before starting or before adding automatic table of content, you just need to change the style of your heading and subheading. First of all, select the type of each heading. For example, if this is the main heading of your Word file, then just click on it or select this. Go to this heading 1 and select heading 1. Here you can see it is automatically like updated in the form of heading 1. And if you want to add some number here, write number, for example 1. If it is a number 1 heading, then you can add its number manually. Okay, so if you want to change the color of this heading into any other color, for example if it is you want to change its color into blue or change the font size of your heading, then just place a cursor here, for example heading 1, right click on it and select modify. After selecting this, you will see this kind of dialog box opened here. Here you can change the size of your heading. For example, if you want to change its size into 14, you just click on 14, and whatever the font style you want to adopt, for example Times New Roman, click on Times New Roman or Calibri or Arial. And what's the color of your heading? If you want to change it into blue, just click on blue, otherwise keep it as a black. Okay, so after making these changes, just click on OK. After these changes, you whenever you click on any heading and convert or modify it into heading 1, it will automatically update it as Times New Roman and font size 14 and bold and black color. Okay, so after that, here you can see it is the subheading of your introduction portion. If you want to add this subheading into table of content, then you need to select this subheading and go to here, select heading 2. It is a kind of heading 2. Just click on heading 2. Yes, after clicking on heading 2, it will automatically termed as heading 2. And if you want to change again its size and color, then right click on this and click modify, and here you can automatically manually change your heading and subheading size and its color. So in your Word document, you need to keep each heading and subheading in this form. Okay, it is also for example this is also a subheading, then you need to select this first and then go to heading 2. After clicking on heading 2, it will automatically changes into heading 2, that is the subheading. And this is also subheading, just select this and go to heading 2, and so on. For each heading and subheading, you need to select this. For example, if this is a heading type 3, for example this is subheading, this is again subheading, and this is a heading subheading 3, and then I will select this and click on heading 3. It will automatically upgrade in table of content as heading 3. Okay, so here you can see its color is blue, and if I want to change its color, then I will select this, go to heading 3 and right click on it and then select modify, and I will change its color here. For example it's black and bold. I will make it bold, and font size is 12, and font style will be Times New Roman, and then click on OK. So it is automatically updated into this form. And if you want to add bullet point here, then you can automatically add bullet points here. Okay, so this is also a heading type 3, so I will select this, and here you can see it after clicking on heading 3, its color is not changed into blue because I have already changed its setting into black color and font size 12. Okay, so for overall documents, you need to first change the heading style of your each heading and subheading for overall throughout the paper. Okay, then after doing this, you just go to the first page and click on references. After clicking on references, here you can see option of table of content. So after clicking on table of content, you will see that formats of table of content. For example, if you want this type of table of content, heading 1, then there is a space between heading 1 and heading 2 in the left side, and again when you write heading 3, there is a more space between heading 2 and heading 3 on the left side. If you want this type of table of content or this type, select a type of table of content you want to add for. So after clicking on table of content, if you want this type of table of content, just click on it, and here you can see automatic table of content has been added. For example, introduction, this is a main heading, this is a second, this is a subheading, this is also subheading, and this is a heading type 3 that is placed at some distance from heading 2 on the left side. So here you can see this is a heading followed by number of dots, and after that a page number will appear automatically. Whenever you change your heading and subheading, for example, if I change the page number of introduction and I keep it in page number 2, then you just go here and update table. This is how it asks update page number only or update entire table. If you make changes to any subheading or page number or delete or add some new heading, then you will select update entire table, and it is feasible and suitable that you will select update entire table. So after clicking on it, just click on OK and it will automatically update. For example, I have moved introduction part to page 2, and here you can see its page number updated into page 2. So you don't need to change page number and subheading and to manually add these full stops in your Word file. You just need to first select or categorize the type of heading of your Word file, then click on references and then table of content, and after clicking on this, select any kind of table of content, and it will automatically add. For example, if you want to change this, you can write it as table of content here. And if you made any changes in the Word file below, either in the page number, in the main heading or subheading, you just need to update the table here. It will automatically upgrade it. So I hope this video will help you in making an automatic table of content. So if you find it useful, kindly share this video with your fellows so that others may also get benefit from it. In next video, we will discuss how to add table of content for figures and table automatically. So stay tuned with Young Researchers. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.